Okay, another force is rotation. It's very easy. If, for example, you have two or just one, test it with one, you insert the rotation. It's for rotating the particle because, as you can see, they're rotating whole particles because its field is infinite. But the location of this rotation force is very important. You can see it better if you copy holding Control, and if you have two, as you can see, emitter. The axis, the center axis of this rotation is here. It's rotating based on Z axis, and as you can see, it's rotated this direction, but because the axis of rotation is here, it's rotate another emitter based on its center. Nice, you can see it. But if you bring the rotation exactly in between two emitter, you can have this interesting rotation. Nice. Here you can increase or decrease of that angle of rotation as well as the mode that you have. Explained them before. But the interesting thing is you can Control Z and delete it. Just begin with one. You can add a field to that. For example, for this rotation is spherical. This is an I don't make it the fall of 0. As you can see, if they reach that field of rotation, it will be rotate. Interesting. And you can select the rotation and change the nice. So you can control the field of the rotation with the fields. You know the fields, I explained them before. Please refer to previous lesson. You can also use the rotation for this, but you have to have a bigger one. For example, we are going to rotation and test it. As you can see, in the air, it rotates them. Nice, but in this situation, it does not act very well. You can assign spherical, and you can increase the power. The more, make it a force, and as you can see, it will be rotate them. Can bring it there. Nice. You can zero the gravity and see its rotation. Nice. Negative or positive number. So the rotation is better. It's better to use for emitters. That's it. Just don't worry about the benefit and usage of these forces. Just I explain its benefits and its tabs and its settings. Like MookGraph, I give you lots of interesting example about how to use the forces and create interesting motion graphic. You learn them better in example. Please wait for our example. These lessons are just explaining the settings.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.